video, this is a live one, folks, partners. Remember your three pillars, you, your idea, and your ability to execute, right? The three pillars are the foundation of your business. Well, if you decide to have a partner, it's a fourth pillar, right? This is a game changer if you're going to start your business. So now you went from basically a tripod to a table. So that each pillar now is equally important. And remember, your partner will affect your other three pillars, your idea, how you're executing. So think about this. If you're going into a partner, all pillars are affected by the partner, and now you've added a fourth. The right partner can be very successful. The wrong partner, dysfunction and failure. Let's think how disappointing this could be. What if you had the right idea, you had the ability to execute, and you were the right person, and your partner screwed up your business? Think about that. Think if you had the three pillars, but you were just for some reason felt like, oh, I want to bring in a fourth pillar, I want to bring in a partner for some reason, and the business failed because of your partner. Very, very common. 80% of businesses fail, 70% of partnerships fail. Starting a business is risky already. Now you're going to roll the dice with someone else, adding more opportunity for failure. You really got to think that through. Why do people have partners? Now you got two risks. You got the business, the three pillars, and now you got the partnership. What happens if you don't get along? Everyone's heard about success stories where partners couldn't work together, successful businesses that got broken up because of the partners. You got to really understand, why would you have a partner? Let's look at marriage.